this video, I will show you how to erase game save data on Steam. To get started, open up Steam and log into your account. And once you've done that, the first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner of Steam, click on Steam up here, and from this menu you want to come and click onto settings. Once your settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto cloud. And what you want to do at the top, you're going to see an option to enable Steam Cloud. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure this is toggled off. So if it is turned on, just come and click the switch to turn it off. Once that's done, close down your settings window, and then what you want to do is come to your games library and find the game that you want to erase your game save data for. So I'm going to use this game as an example. What you want to do is right click onto the game from the left hand side of your games library, and on this menu that comes up, you want to hover over manage, and in the sub menu you want to click onto browse local files. Now what that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer, and from here, if you do see a folder called saves, you want to double click to go into the folder, and there should be a file in there called something like saves.ini. Make sure to delete that, and that's going to delete your game save progress. Now if you don't see the save game files or folders in using this method, there is another way to do this. So what you want to do is actually come to the Steam website. So if you open up a new internet browser and you want to come across to store.steampowered.com, which is the official website. Now at this point, it doesn't matter if you are logged into your account or not, but what you want to do is search the store for the game that you want to erase your save game data for. So in my case, that was Warhammer Total War. So once you've found the game, click to be taken to the app page, and once you've done that, you want to actually come to the address bar at the top. Now in this address bar, you want to take note of the numbers. So in my case, that's 364360. Of course, yours is going to be different depending on what game you're trying to erase your save game data for. But once you've got those numbers, what you want to do is come back to your desktop, open up your computer's file explorer. So you can use the search box, type file explorer, and open that up underneath best match. Once you've done that, you want to come to where Steam is installed on your computer or laptop. So mine's on my C drive, so I'm going to select my C drive, then program files x86. Then what I'm going to do is scroll down and look for the Steam folder, double click to open the Steam folder, and then from here you want to come down and find user data, double click, and that's going to take you to this screen where you're going to see a folder with a bunch of numbers, which is basically your user ID. So just double click to open the folder, and from here you want to find the folder with the same numbers as the one that was on the website. So for myself, that was 364360, which is this one here. What you then want to do is double click to open that folder and just delete anything within this folder, which is going to reset your save game progress for that particular game. So that is how to erase game save data on Steam. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple Steam and tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.